Hello my friends, for a new video today about analyzing US stock. So what's happening in the markets? We will decrypt that together today, okay? So I would like to start by this one. In the last video I showed you that Tesla is clearly showing selling signal, and I saw that you should rebuy it at the trend line. And that's exactly what happened. So congratulations for the guy who short sell Tesla here and will buy it at the trend line, because there is no sense in buying Tesla right now at this level for the simple reason it's the trend line. I will delete this and I will show you what I meant by that. So the thing we have here is the trend line that is working for lots of months, okay? For many months the market is respecting that trend line, and every time the prices comes back to the trend line and then rebounds to look for higher levels. And the last touch of the trend line was in Friday 21st November. At this time the price touches the trend line and then it rebounds again. So in this time, what I'm recommending in Tesla is clearly revisiting again the trend line. Maybe that will be this level at 400, and then it can rebound and looks again for this resistance at 464. Okay, it's quite simple. The technical analysis is working pretty much in Tesla. So congratulations for guys who followed our golden signals. I call it like that. It's free in YouTube, so don't hesitate to subscribe and to like the content so we can make more videos like this, more signals, free signals in our YouTube channel. So clearly wait here and then you can buy. For Amazon, what is Amazon doing? So Amazon is clearly down again, and like I said in many videos, for now I'm not buying it. Why? Because we have some supports at 210, and the price would likely revisit this level again before bouncing again. Okay, so we will wait for some technical correction, and after the technical correction we can buy the Amazon stock. For now I'm short selling it, and I recommend you to do the same thing. Next stock is NVIDIA. For NVIDIA it's the same message. I am selling it. Why? Because we have some technical patterns that are clearly bearish. We explained it in many videos that this is head and shoulders pattern, which is a bearish form of correction. That means that the price will break the neckline maybe, and will look for bearish level at 150, and 150 would be perfect to enter long in the market. For now I'm not buying it. I prefer to wait until we have this correction, and then we can enter to buy at level with meaning. Okay guys, it's important to buy every time we in levels of that are meaningful in trading, especially for guys who are investing for the medium and long term. So until NVIDIA gives us this signal, I'm waiting. I'm not entering the market because the level now is meaningless to go and enter long, unless we have big news about NVIDIA and we can surf the news. But for now, not interesting. I could skip that, and there are lots of opportunities in the market right now that we can get on and profit from them. So the next one is Microsoft. Microsoft is clearly a signal also of bearishness. We have now this support price, this resistance, this support, this old support that's becoming resistance. So for guys who are beginners at technical analysis, you should know that support might become a resistance at sometimes, and resistance can become support. What I mean by that, if you look that the price is going down here and then at 496, exactly the price comes back and goes higher, and then in 6th of November the price goes down and it respected this level exactly of the support of price before going up again, and then the price now broke this level of support and price is retesting the same level of 490. That's becoming a resistance of price now. That means that price cannot go higher for the first time, second time, third time, and then I believe that the market can skate back and go to 460 again. So I believe this is some important resistance, and that can be respected in a few days. So Microsoft is perfect, guys, for guys who are doing trading in short term or the medium term. But for now, I believe it's short sell signal because of this story of support resistance. Next one is Meta. Meta, what is Meta doing? For now, Meta is doing just some technical rebounds. Is this level that can become resistance here? I will draw it for you guys so it's so clear. Horizontal line, and I will draw the support. It's a resistance. So the price is testing it first time, second time, and third time, and then it can be very good level to try this one at bearish momentum. So that is what my thoughts about Meta. I believe it can goes back and test again this support at 580, but for now I prefer also skip this wave because not so much interesting for me right now. Next one is Google. I have drawn for you some waves like you see of price. That's what we call wave of Elliott. There are many names of waves. I will show you that, guys. So here we have some Elliott wave theory. It's called like this, and you can have some prices going ups and downs, and then you can draw these waves. And for now, the wave can be like this. So we can have some bearish momentum, and then at 300 and 0 at this level, I believe that Alphabet can revisit this level at 300 and then goes higher, because clearly we are in a bearish momentum in Alphabet with many investors and hedge funds buying it. So Alphabet is giving bullish signal because it's clearly bullish trend from last months. Like you see, it's clearly in the bullish trend, so it's perfect to go longer in Alphabet. I recommend it. It's perfect share stock for the moment, and it's my top one favorites in the moment, thanks to this price action and this bullish trend. The last one I'm gonna show you is PayPal. So PayPal, clearly it was our big bet in the channel. We thought that it will be it's gonna be higher, and that is exactly what happened. The share goes higher with this form of bullish engulfing. That is not really bullish engulfing, but clearly it's a nice bullish momentum. I will show you the bullish engulfing pattern. Bullish engulfing is when you have the biggest candle that is green, that's engulf the small one that is red. But the most important rule in this one is that you having a trend. What I mean by that, that you have a trend that is bearish. I will show you that. We have bearish trend here, okay? It's clearly the market is going lower and lower. And then you have this big candle that is red. And then you have buyers that are taking control of the markets with this big green candle. That means the buyers are entering into it. And we spotted this many weeks ago, and we said that is clearly bullish, so go in thanks to this bullish engulfing form that's similar to bullish engulfing form that is perfect for entering long in the market. So now the market is going higher, and that is what we call bad bullish engulfing. Okay, guys? So the market is going higher. We have some correction here, but the trend is becoming bullish thanks to technical analysis in PayPal with many indicators. You can set RSI, you can set in ACD that are becoming bullish too. So that's perfect. We have also the moving averages, so that's perfect point signal in the market. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for this for listening, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you tomorrow in analyzing the markets before the crucial decision of the Fed. So the Federal Reserve is doing the meeting Wednesday. That will be the official announcement, and that's gonna be the most important signal in this week. So we're gonna analyze that together tomorrow and Wednesday too. So like the video, and I hope that the Fed will announce decision of lower rates. That's gonna be a very good important decision, and impact in stocks market can be really important and really bullish for the prices. Okay, guys, so if the Fed delivers the expected 0.25 rate cuts and signal willingness to continue easing the monetary policy, I expect modest but broad rally, particularly in growth-oriented and rate-sensitive sectors. And the Fed emphasized caution of lags, headwinds, so that can be a really important signal in the market. So I expect that lower rates tend to make borrowing cheaper for consumers, for business alike, and so that's bullish signal. Okay, I can do a video about interest rates, so if you want that, don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and comment. We want the video of the impact of the Fed rates in the market and what we expect about that in stock shares price. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for following us. Don't hesitate to like and subscribe. Thank you, guys. See you tomorrow.